you have spent a lot, you have dedicated a lot because you made it. Radiography captures single moment. So let's compare both of them. So if radiography captures single moment, what about like continuous fluoroscopy? But nowadays, most of the using pulse mode. Okay, what's the difference? In pulsed, there will be lower. Okay, the motion will be a bit slower, and the dose will be less. So, for example, take a look. We have 30 pulse per second. The motion is going to be the motion. So you see this 30 that is a bit more smoother motion. Half this part because it is a very important exam. If pulse rate is reduced, what happens to dose and smoothness? What will happen that the explorer reduces if other after understanding everything, what will happen to the about plot penal detector? What is the plot penal detector? Because the scatter is not reaching